Hey guys, welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. The boys are out in the pasture fixing a fence over there that's kind of down, and so I just thought I would go video them fixing the fence, and then the boys have something fun they want to share with you guys, so I'm gonna head on over there. Boys are out doing some work.
That's right. When food starts getting scarce in the pasture, the sheep really start leaning on the fence and trying to reach over and eat. Plus, this is right in the wooded part, so the deer come through here and they got the fence all beat down. So, just trying to fix it. God, that's loud.
Yeah.
I have a little tool that you put on here and you twist these off. Of course, I went to look for it and can't find it.
You cold?
A little bit. My hands are.
It's actually pretty nice today.
Yeah.
Dakota's out there. He came to get my trays filled up with soil to help me out with the microgreens business.
I think you see the cameras hiding.
Me and the boys noticed the fence down because we were out here scouting for a place to put a zip line that they got for Christmas.
We found a spot.
You did?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Sweet.
So. It'd be cool.
I'm gonna be the first one to use it.
Nope. Me.
Nope. When we're done, we'll show you.
Alright, let's do another one.
And the zip line's like crazy long. It's 200 feet long. It's really long.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, it's gonna be really fun.
Is this the only place that it's down?
Yeah, there's another place up there that's sagging. We're gonna put another post in.
Dave, come here. Hold that side a little bit. A little lower.
Grab it down here and pull. There you go.
That looks like a good workout. Maybe I should do it.
It is.
Which you're so fond of.
When we initially fenced this in, it's about 5 acres. All the wooden posts are concreted in about 4 feet in the ground. We did all of them in like 2 days.
Don't drop something.
Huh?
Don't drop something.
Oh, that's right.
Off they go.
So we're gonna be building the zip line soon. So this bigger tree in the middle, that's where we're gonna attach it to, and we're gonna cut this tree down. And then we're gonna go all the way down here. Cut all these trees down, and then it starts down there. It's gonna come straight through here, then that pole down there, we're gonna build a platform down there, and then a ladder on the other side of the fence, and then a ladder on this side, so you can climb up, do the zip line, and then come back and just climb up the ladder and do it again.
Fun.
It's gonna be scary because once you get to over there by those trees, you're gonna be probably, I don't know, 5 to 7 feet in the air.
You're gonna be scared?
No, I do stuff like that.
You're gonna be like 10 foot in there.
10 foot. It's a little scarier. And you're gonna be going fast because it's downhill.
So you want to do a video when you guys are building the platform, and wow. So you want to do a video when we're building the platform and setting it up?
Yeah.
And trying it out? Ooh, who's gonna be the first one?
Me.
Are you gonna be scared?
Hmm?
Is Dakota gonna try it?
No.
Okay, when are we doing it? Tomorrow?
Yep.
Maybe. We'll find out.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we got the fence fixed, and thought I'd walk over here and just show you the baby sheep, because why not?